It was a busy day on the island of Silver. All the animals were doing really useful, like they were meant to be, except for one. Golden Cylinder had been broken, so he couldn't go anywhere. Then the Top Hat came. What's the matter, Gordon? It's just that because my cylinder is broken, I just want to be repaired. Don't worry, Gordon. We'll repair you. Thank you, sir. Soon, Henry was on his way. And before Gordon knew it, Henry was tacked up to him and he was being taken to the walk. Later, Thomas came to see the Fat and Turtle. Do you want to see me, sir? Indeed, Thomas, I did. I want you to take a special to the Brendam docks. Got it? I got it. Soon, Thomas was ready to leave. He heard the guard's whistle, and he was off. Meanwhile, Edward was trying to teach Henry how to pull the express, but Henry didn't listen. All he cared for was that he got it delivered on time, and he left the station. Why do I have that bad feeling that something terrible is gonna happen? Meanwhile, at the dock, Thomas was ready to leave with the brakeman. Are you ready to go, brakeman? My name is Martin. Oh, whatever. And Thomas left the docks. Soon Thomas came to a red signal, and he gave the brakeman a bump. Soon the signal was green, and Thomas left, leaving the brakeman behind. Then Thomas came on the other track so Henry can go by with his express. Express coming through! Then there was trouble.